Thank you for being here, dear soul. It's Kenneth here. I am truly honored, privileged, and grateful that you chose me as your guide today. From my heart to yours, I thank you for your trust. Imagine that the empowering and loving words that I share are your reality now, and only that which is for your higher good will be absorbed and reinforced by your body, your mind, heart, and spirit, activating your potential and aligning to higher consciousness. You are a loving soul in a human body. You are a loving soul in a human body. You have a purpose for being here. You choose to live from your heart and give from your heart. You are stepping into a new consciousness and higher perspective of abundance and prosperity. You are stepping into a new consciousness and higher perspective. You are connecting with your true purpose now. Abundance is all around you because you are connected to the abundant universe. Abundance is all around you. Infinite potential and unconditional love is always flowing through you. Always flowing. You choose to open up to an even greater flow. You are deserving. You are free to choose. Success, prosperity, and abundance is a natural part of the universal flow of life energy. You are free to choose success, prosperity, and abundance. It is time now to awaken to your infinite potential and resources. It is time now to awaken to your infinite potential and resources. You have every opportunity to succeed within you. You are standing in the river of success. Success is flowing to you naturally. Success is flowing to you naturally. It is safe to follow your passion. That which gives you passion and joy in life is an indicator of what your purpose in life is. Follow your passion. You choose to follow the thread of joy. You choose to live from your heart. You are courageously going after what you want in life. You love making goals come to fruition. You are inspired to express your ideas and thoughts. You are inspired to express your ideas and thoughts. You are connected with your higher self and your unique creativity. You take action on your awesome ideas. You are a magnet to abundance. You are honoring the fact that abundance is your birthright. You really love to create value for other people. You are using the flow of abundance in your life to create abundance for others. You're bathing in the river of creativity and brilliant ideas. You're curious and excited about what's to come. You are connecting with your higher self, and you allow yourself to be guided. You are attracting and creating success from your heart. Your mind and heart are best friends. You are so happy and grateful for the abundance circulating in your life. You choose to receive with gratitude. You are naturally becoming increasingly more grateful. You are passionate about life. You choose to give generously and unconditionally. You have an attitude of gratitude. You have a purpose for being here. You are manifesting from your heart. You are abundantly creative, and you act on your brilliant ideas. You are working smart towards your goals. You are using your time wisely. You are bathing in the river of courage and strength. You are unstoppable. You take full responsibility for all areas of your life. You are a powerful magnet to health, wealth, and prosperity. You are asking because you know that that is the key to receiving. You are standing on the mountaintop of trust. Trust in the intelligence of life. You are a prosperity magnet. You On days when you do not feel abundant and prosperous, you can simply focus on the things that you can be grateful for in your life, and that will retune your frequency to the vibration of abundance. Abundance is a choice. You choose abundance because you can. Abundance is a choice. You are giving thanks and you are grateful for your success. You are sailing the sea of abundance. You are the captain of your ship, navigating the sea of life, following your compass. You deserve to be prosperous and successful. You are encouraging yourself every day. You are a positive thinker. You are generosity. You are love. You are love. You are reminding yourself every day that you are a soul in a human body. You are here to contribute and grow, to learn and experience, to love and have fun, to live your purpose, to be yourself for the highest good of every soul involved. Every soul has its unique path. We are all family, and Mother Earth is our home. High vibration is your reality. High vibration is your reality. You are choosing to be happy with what you already have in your life. Happiness is a choice. All that you seek is seeking you. All that you seek is already within you. You are allowing abundance to flow freely through you. You love the surprise when success comes to you in unexpected ways. Life supports you in every possible way. You are proud to be a person that follows your dreams, your goals, and your desires. No matter what anyone else thinks, says, or do, you go after what you want with courage, love, and confidence. You have your path, they have theirs. You realize that your ultimate goals and dreams are waiting for you. It is safe to release the need to know how and when everything will happen. In a parallel universe, it is already manifested. You choose to connect with the inner knowing that universal intelligence is supporting you are trusting the love in your heart to guide you. You are in tune with the vibration of your goals and dreams. You can only attract that which is aligned with your vibration. Your vibration is your life. Your appreciation and love for life is constantly expanding. Abundance flows to you effortlessly. Abundance is flowing to you from multiple sources. All this or something better is happening now in multiple realities for the highest good of every soul involved. You are one with the power that created you. You are pure love in human form. You are a divine spark of universal light. You are complete because you are the universe, and the universe is everything.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight-to-the-point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.